Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up automatic updates for WordPress on Bluehost. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead to the official website. I'm gonna go ahead to the official website. Now what you're gonna do, you could do it with manual update. On the left sidebar of the dashboard, click on the plugins tab. Okay, and then in the plugins section, click the update link on any plugin that is out of date. Right, you can see there's a new version of this plugin, right? And then go ahead and update it, and WordPress will automatically download and install the most recent version of the plugin. And if you want to enable the automatic updates in WordPress, just go ahead, log into your dashboard, click the plugins on the left menu, and then select install plugin, and choose the plugin or plugins that you want to enable auto updates by clicking the checkbox. All right, and then click the bulk action. All right, click the bulk action and then click enable auto update from this option, and then hit apply right here, and then basically that's it. Let's turn on the comment to this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.